Hi, I'm Ollie Beamish. I ride a KTM 250 at MX Nationals and British Championship level. So EBC have invited me down to Castle Combe today to test out the new products, so the front disc and the pads, just to have a bit of fun around this little track and see what we can do. So yeah, let's go get on track and have some fun. So I've just got in from doing some laps around at Castle Combe. Obviously the weather's been a bit of a change from this morning, starting dry and going wet, but good fun either way. Splashing through some puddles and been testing out these EBC front brakes, rear brakes, pads. The oversized disc is perfect for me and the stopping power is perfect. Obviously I got a race coming up in about 3 weeks, so one of my bigger races, so we'll see if we can put these brakes to the test.